Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy half up half down hairstyle. I want some loose waves in the hair, so I'm curling everything in the same direction. Make sure you do this over the entire head, and then I'm just going to comb out those curls so they fall into loose waves. Now I'm going to gather the section around the crown area, and I'm just going to put a clip on there for now, just to hold it in place, and I'm going to take a thin slice of hair from both sides of the head, bring it around to the back and tie it in a knot as if you were tying your shoelace, and then tuck the ends underneath the clip to hold them in place. And then we're going to take another thin size section on each side and do the same knot, laying it just underneath the first one. Don't forget to tuck your tail ends behind that clip. And it really is that simple. We're going to do 2 more knots using the same technique as the first 2. So bringing the sections in from the side, tying them in a knot and tucking the ends. So I'm just working on my 4th and final knot now. Now all we're going to do is lift that middle section up and out of the way for later and clip it to the top of the head, and I'm going to gather all the tail ends from those 4 knots and tie them together in a clear elastic band underneath. Now let down that middle section and then just remove the clip that we popped in at the start. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.